Hello, universe! Hello, world! Hello, Philippines! Kumusta ang Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao? This is your host again, Marlene Crag. Kumusta ka, Bagong Pilipinas? Ang bagong talk show ng bayan at nasa episode 4. Continuation po ng episode 3 kanina. And we are now live streaming for the episode 4. Pasensya ng episode 3, pero share namin kaagad yung episode 3 mamaya sa Facebook. So with me again, of course, is my debonair and the one and only economist of the show, Dr. Conrad Pereras.
Magandang araw po muli mga listeners ng programang ito. Look forward to having this conversation.
Ayan, and of course, nandito pa rin ating magandang kaibigan na si Miss Yula Tolentino, isang businesswoman din. Okay, so continuation natin ito, season 2 pala tayo this year, 2026, episode 4. So, ang ating topic, bakit hindi pag-uusapan ng senior at ang kanilang mga pamilya ang future plans or para sa English, why seniors and families avoid talking the future care and how to begin. Yan ang topic. Paano ba natin? So, right away tayo. Sa palagay mo, bakit ayaw pag-usapan culturally ng mga Pilipinos?
Ladies first.
Okay.
Siya. Ako nga naman ang lady. Ang observation ko dyan, kasi ang Pilipino ay basically mahiyain. Or natatakot sila doon sa topic na yon. Parang hindi siguro sila handa pag-usapan. Pero nowadays, dapat handa tayong pag-usapan. Anything under the sun.
Correct.
Diba?
Yan yung mga modernong pag-iisip. How about you, Doc Conrad?
From my observations and from my own experience, this topic, as serious as this, only gets on the table when something substantive or something different happens, no? Somebody dies in the family, all of a sudden, when they go back with what happened, siguro pag-usapan natin yung sa atin, no? But something has to happen to intervene and start the discussion. When my father died, I was single. There is nothing to discuss. Because there is nothing to divide.
Oo.
But when my mother died, we were married and we have children. So when she died, started the discussion was, what do we do if something like this happens? No? And so being more rational, being more educated, that level of discussion will take place one way or the other. Hindi yan parang formal meeting eh. It comes in bits and pieces. Every time there is an opportunity, you're in a situation, you visit your friend and pay your last respects on the side. Nagdi-discuss kayo ng wife ko, di ba?
Sabi nila, when the student is ready, the teacher comes along. That's why yung learning mo na yon, yung lesson mo, yung nangyari sa family niyo na.
Yes, and I'm
pala,
75.
pag may nangyari.
The discussion continues, no? And when will it end? When I was hospitalized during COVID, siyempre, nobody knows what's gonna happen. I will have to take the initiative if something happens to me. If I go back in an urn, what do they do? No? And there is, normally in emergency cases, there is not much time. So, ang advice ko, even I was tempted to make it now, we'll do it later, is that kailangan, sabi nga ni Ma'am Lali, preparation ang the best.
Yeah.
No surprises.
Act now. So, ayan, sa mga co-hosts, ating mga co-viewers and viewers, lalo sa ating mga OFW at seafarers, kumusta kayo at lahat ng mga Filipinos nasa abroad. So, ang tanong ko sa inyo, kung mayroon pa kayong nanay at tatay, nakausap niyo na ba sila lately na kung saan nila gustong maalagaan? At pagdating ng panahon na kailangan na nila ng tulong nyo, ay nakausap niyo na ba? At kung hindi, hindi kayo rin nag-iisa kasi halos lahat ng pamilya nag-a-avoid ng subject na to?
The more rational ones, the more educated, the more exposed, will call the attention of their parents. Sabihin nila, they will ask that question. Ano ba yung sagot typically ng parents? Ayokong pag-usapan natin yan.
Saka na lang yan.
Saka na lang yan.
Mm.
Bahala ka
Ang
na dyan.
lakas-lakas ko pa.
Gusto mo na akong
Bahala na
mamatay?
lang kayo.
Oh.
Di ba? Sabihin, bahala na
Oh.
lang kayo pag narating. I'll cross the bridge when I'm there. Parang ganun, di ba? So, Lali, ano sa palagay mo? Bakit ayaw natin pag-usapan?
Like I said earlier, yun nga, natatakot, nahihiya na mag-open up ang mga, the normal Filipinos really.
Bakit
Talaga.
nahihiya?
Parang siguro, more siguro kasi
Naasiwa
minsan,
siguro, naasiwa.
tipong, ayokong pag-usapan
Not
yan.
comfortable
Kasi-
to talk about it.
Oo, kasi yung typical like especially yung mga taong nasa province, ayaw nila yan.
Ayaw nila yan.
Ayaw nila yan.
May pamahihin dyan eh.
Oo. Parang-
Ganun?
Pag pinag-usapan mo, somebody will die.
Oo, akala
Hindi,
mo
we're not
ano na.
talking about death. We're talking about how we are going to take care of you,
Oh, but-
Mom.
But that's
Dad.
the end result eh.
Exactly.
Ah.
Oo, and result
So,
parang,
iniisip na nila,
Yes.
oo, ahead of time parang, bakit gusto mo na ako mamatay?
Tapos
yun
tatanungin
ang
mo pa,
reaction eh.
tatanungin mo pa,
Oo.
cremation ba, Dad?
Oo, may mga ganun. Hindi
Or
dapat,
funeral?
Sino ba anak
Ilang
na
araw?
magtatanong yan?
oo,
ilang-
talagang
Oh my
sa
God. Diba?
sa kultura.
Nobody ever thought about that.
And if you're the parents, if you're the subject, you won't open up. Why will you open it up? Kasi
Yeah.
Oy, meron mga chances, yung film, commercial, may mga insurances ng mga, saan mo gusto, heritage, gusto mo ba sa, kung saan burial mo, di ba? Minsan napag-uusapan na yan, and then kasali na yung mga expenses and everything.
Oo.
At one point, ayaw ko rin. Parang taburin ako dyan, pwede ba, I'm only 28 years old, pwede, huwag natin pag-usapan yan.
but
Pero-
normally the planning is done quietly. Either the parents
Yeah.
they
Or the
will-
person itself.
or the children. The children will think for their parents. So they'll bibilyan sila ng memorial plans,
Oo.
end of life plans,
Correct.
Mhm.
funeral plans. Everything is taken care of, pero they do it silently.
Oo.
Ah.
Natin na like open discussions.
Wag mo
of-
nang open. O,
Walang
papasok,
ganun.
bili na ako na.
Surprise mo na lang.
Oo. Ako normally, yung nag-experience ko sa being nasa insurance
Mm.
industry din before, ang nakakatawang minsang scenario is this, pag umattend ka ng wake,
Mm.
when somebody die, minsan ang tanong agad, may insurance ba yung namatay? Yes. Kasi nga naman, kung may insurance, edi may at least merong maiiwan man lang doon
May panggastos.
panggastos sa pamilya. Kaya natatanong yun, ilang beses akong pumunta ng wake before, although hindi naman ako nagpumunta ng mga wake ngayon, yung parati ang tanong, may insurance ba yung namatay?
Si Marangya, yung
At-
funeral wake.
At hindi lang yun, yung kasi, ang iniisip nila parati yung panggastos.
True.
Oo, kasi may gastos eh. Pag, sabi ko nga
Lalo
nung
na
una,
sa province.
oo, minsan iniisip ko nung araw na, gusto ko nang pag nahihirapan ka, di ba, normal expression tao, gusto ko nang mamatay. At later on, parang na-realize ko, ay, wag muna. Bakit? Mahal palang mamatay.
Oo.
Nowadays, mahal
Right, diba?
mamatay.
Diba?
Mahal
Depende.
magkasakit, mahal mamatay.
O, kaya wag muna. So, doon muna tayo, balik tayo sa pag-aalaga. Bakit hindi pinag-uusapan? Yun nga, like
Hindi,
sinabi
hindi.
ni
At
Doc
saka,
Conrad.
yung care plans for all these things, yung cremation or funeral wake, ilang
Oo.
araw ang cremation, at
Now that you mentioned the care plans, nag-uumpisa yung discussion na yon when a third party comes
yes, and
to
offer
sell you
those-
something. Yeah,
Yeah.
sell you something. Pero ganun pa rin eh. Kung sino yung approach, the thinking process is silently executed.
coming,
Yes.
Oo. Sige. Plan,
chipping in.
like for example, when the church was built and they put on the basement all these boxes, crypt or whatever, immediately ang reaction ng wife ko, bili tayo. Ako, alam mo reaction ko? Nagdagan mo yung bili natin, tapos pag tumaas na yung presyo, benta natin yung kaliwa, libre na yun.
So, bili kayo apat.
Oo.
Yeah, so we bought 4,
Oo.
and then eventually we sold the 2 when the price went up.
Wow.
That's
So
business.
investment pala
Yes.
yun.
So, business agad ang napasok sa kanya. And it's very practical.
Pati buying of the burol. Mga different plans.
Tama na yan. But
Tumaas
recently,
na
I
yun.
attended in Heritage, I attended the wake of a good friend of mine of long ago. All of a sudden, 77 na yung wife niya. Hindi na nagising. She died on her sleep. So, nung nagkita kami, alam mo unang tanong ko, meron ka ba box sa ano?
Gusto mo
simbahan?
bumili?
Oh, yun na nga eh. Sabi niya, 20 years ago, in-offer sa akin yun.
See?
Dahil sinabi, bakit gusto mo na ako mamatay? So sabi niya, I did not buy.
Yung-
Now I have to buy 10 times more than the price that
True.
was offered to
See?
me.
Now,
Yeah.
you just realize it
Oh,
after.
Yes,
But
sasabihin pa
you-
niya.
Oo.
Sabi pa niya, buti ka, may kaibigan ako at pinakiusapan ko na benta niya sa akin yung iba niyang holdings.
See?
So, yung mga tabu na reason na ayaw is yung fearing death and aging din, di ba?
Oo. Kasi alam mo, yung mayayaman ngayon, marami dyan, nag-umpisa rin sila sa mababa. So yung background nila, even though they're there already, bumabalik doon eh. Because as I keep saying, if you collapse the buildings in Metro Manila, makikita mo yung subdivisions dyan, galing sa Ilocos, galing sa Pampanga, Cebu, Mindanao, mga from this ang mga yan eh.
Yes, oo.
So, dala-dala nila yung cultural background
Cultural
nila. And even though now that they are more affluent, they're more educated, nananaig pa rin yung ano eh. Because they still have to relate to their relatives eh. So,
At saka minsan, parang natatakot sila baka ma-related yung question mo. Question nila, kung ikaw magtatanong na anak sa mana, di ba? At saka mga insurances ni daddy. Yung parang, ikaw mauna, baka sabi nila, interesado ka sa mana. So, at saka yung iba naman, yung kaya na ba? Mayroon ba tayong pera kung pag-usapan na natin? Di pa parang, bakit na pag-usapan? Hindi naman natin afford. Parang something like that. So, and denial. So, nagde-deny. May denial. Ako rin noon.
ang observation ko, you don't talk about these things as a family eh. You talk to your wife or
Yeah,
your child
your
talks to
wife.
you. One-on-one ang discussions dyan eh.
Oo.
Walang family council or family meeting.
Walang ganun.
Walang,
So, if one brings it out, dun lang
Yeah.
na pag-uusapan.
yeah.
Or else, or sometimes, ganito yan. Kasi di ba, nauso na nga yung ino-offer, umpisa natin sa mga insurance. Tapos, later on, nagkaroon na ng yung mga memorial service.
Yes, oo.
Service.
Tapos, yung may mga ganun, parang pag may,
May trigger.
may titrigger na, may
Mga pala, no?
makikipag-appointment,
Oh,
may
ano?
offer, sir,
Yes.
ito, ganyan kapag-appointment. Maybe that's an opening
Yes.
para mapag-usapan. Hindi yung diretsong, anong gagawin natin kay pag mga ganung bagay. But pag merong, like, ganung klaseng opening, or anything like that, I think that's a
Yes.
good.
True. Diba? Yun yung mga openings po. Pag may nagbenta na po at gustong bumili ni mama, doon na. O nga
Oo.
pala ma, pag gusto mo rin ba sa nursing home or sa kwan? Opening na yun ng discussion. Kung okay siya. Pero that's why nga, nakikiusap tayo sa mga seniors. Kung feeling nyo ay malayo pa, gaya
Hindi
namin
po.
ni Kwan, kahit 65 na kayo, sabi nyo, ay malayo pa yan. You never know tomorrow, baka hindi na tayo mag-wake up.
Yeah.
So, ito yung mga masakit na katotohanan na dapat na natin hindi i-avoid. Pero mas mahirap kasi pag burden sa pamilya later, yung caught unguarded, di ba?
Oo.
Ay, di natin naisip yan and then lahat tayo maglo-loan.
Real life situations. Sasabihin palagi nung wife ko, Dad, pag wala ka na, huwag mo akong iwanan ng problema. Ha?"
O di ba?
Oo.
Di ba?
Utang.
And then, sunod-sunod na yun eh. Make sure lang na walang ibang babae pupunta sa funeral.
Ayun.
Siyempre, you keep assuring her, di ba? Wala yan. Because there are a lot of cases, celebrated
Correct.
cases,
Mm.
where magtatagpo-tagpo sila doon.
Kaaway na.
Yeah, away.
Di ba
Pero,
sinabi ni Daddy, ikaw daw magkikare kasi binigay na niya nung una yung lupa? Something like that. Alam mo, pag yung sa All Saints Day, All Souls Day, yung mga kamag-anak sa Amerika, sa aming pamilya, sweet, sweet pa, cheers, gano'n, sa puntod
Oo.
mismo. Ay, 2 hours after, nagsasabunutan.
It's not unusual to witness. Ako, personal witness, nandiyan yung body, wake. Family number 1 is on the left side, family number 2 is
Yes,
on the left
oo.
side. Kumisa, meron pang number 3
Meron pahabol.
Yes, yes.
So,
Oo.
yun yung
Nangyayari
mga preparedness na yun. Kasi importante ano yung bilang isang pamilya, ano dapat i-ready natin yung ano natin iumpisahan. Di ba dapat kung malinis ka na tatay, sabi mo, oh by the way, kalimutan ko nung sundalo pala ako, meron pala akong anak. So may ate kayo o may kuya kayo. So all the truth and sincerity, I don't know kung lalabas na rin yun.
Ako yung standard sagot ko dyan. When I introduce myself, how are you related to this Pereiras from Sorsogon? We also know somebody from Pangasinan. My standard answer was, when my father was young, after farming, he becomes a carpenter, and they go out of our community in these far places. Probably they sold some wild oats there, and whether kamag-anak ko yan o hindi, that's the fact. And I think that's what has happened in the 60s, in the 70s.
True.
So may mga
I hear a
kamag-anak ko,
lot
I'm
of
sure.
stories from the provinces na destino and they had to work
Oo,
there.
Yes.
And then
anak there, oo.
biglang meron pala kaming kapatid doon.
Tama yan, yung mga military na they're assigned.
Yeah, they assign
And you cannot blame them because it's
They're
lonely
lonely.
to be alone.
Ano pa yung mga pag-uusapan na ayaw nila? Yung sino ang mag-aalaga pa?
Yung mag-aalaga.
O di ba? O ikaw na lang. O di ba kasi minsan mga old patriarch at ikaw kasi
Ikaw ang
ikaw
bunso
yung- Oo, hindi ikaw yung marami kong binibigay, ikaw yung paborito.
Yung personal experience ko dyan, yung sa wife's side ko, my mother-in-law had a stroke, was living with us, but before that, she was moving around. No? Pag nag-aaway na kayo, you have to transfer her to another family, another child, di ba?
Oo, yeah.
So one time, inabutan sa amin, stroke siya. We called the brother to check. Went to the hospital, na-stroke. So ang problem is, after sa hospital, saan siya pupunta? Diba? So pumunta siya doon sa...
Ikaw nagdala, so dali mo muna. Kung sino yung nagdala, siya yung mga keeper.
Pero
so
ito,
wala po
magandang ano to,
Ano, what
yung
happened?
concept of a corporation. They agreed that since the mother had money, which they placed in the bank, they will use all of that to take care of their mother. And on top of that, sabi nila, monthly, magbigay tayo. We will not divide the money equally. Basta ito ang cost, kung magkano ang kaya mo, because we come from different
Oo, okay.
levels, mag-share ka dyan. Nung mamatay siya, whatever was left was just divided equally.
That's good. Oo.
Eh yung iba, sabi, ayoko, na hindi nga akong paborito. Kayo nga ang lagi niyang kasama-sama.
Totoo yun. Yung hindi
Right?
paborito, konti lang ang binibigay niya.
Oo.
Yung paborito niya, siya yung in charge. That's my wife.
Oo. Ang ganda ako napapag-usapan ng ganyan, openly.
And alam mo
there-
ba, yung mga ganyan ng family gathering, ang hindi na pag-usapan, okay, hindi na yung death. Nursing home, saan? Sino
nursing.
mag-aalaga sa'yo sa bahay? Paano mo gusto pa?
Oo. Alam mo, minsan, pag gusto niyo pag-usapan, daan niyo sa biro.
Yes.
Biro lang. And then,
Oo.
tingnan mo kung anong reaction nila.
And
And you
also,
will get
some fathers did that. I remember I went to a dinner to a friend's house. Sabi ng dad, oh, di ba, favorite kita. So sa bahay mo ako i-home care. Nagulat yung...
In our case, it's very simple eh. May anak siyang doktor. So, saan mo siya ilalagay?
Sa doktor.
Sa
Sa doktor, di ba?
Kasi para mag-alaga.
So, every weekend, kanya-kanyang bisita. And then we agree to meet there. Pero ko, dahil malapit ako, I go there and I whisper to the ears of my mother-in-law, Ma'am, Mamang, ito yung favorite son-in-law mo.
Huwag mong kalimutan.
So I joke around. He was happy before I said that. After she heard it, she cries.
Oh no.
Parang, oh my God. So, anong gusto kaya
Para
nito si Conrad?
Yeah. So these are the ways to diffuse
Yes.
the tension. No?
Correct.
Oo.
Yung, don't make it heavy.
Yes.
Yung
Yes.
parang,
Parang,
o ma, saan ba natin gusto? may maganda ngayon, condominium pa yun. Tapos, ang daming magagandang nurses kung lalaki. yung
Ako na-
daddy nyo.
May joke ako din dyan. Yung,
O ano?
o ikaw, o daw, tinatanong, pag ikaw namatay, anong gusto mo? Yan yung tanong na cremated ba or something. Sabi ko, ako cremation. And then, after that, so anong gagawin doon sa, ano mo, sa urn mo? Ay nako, ang ilalagay ko sa will ko dyan, where I frequent most. Sabi niya, nag-isip sila,
Toilet?
Where do you
where do you
Toilet?
frequent? No.
Ano?
I frequent to Glorieta, Greenbelt. Kalat nyo doon. Yung, so,
Ikakalat mo.
sabi, magdudumi ka pa ngayon sa sa mall? Joke lang yun.
Ah.
Dadaan ko sa ganung na,
Hindi, doon sa top floor, sa smoking area, pwede na lang i-blow doon. Wala na. Paggabi na, pag wala nang masyadong
Oo.
tao.
Ang sabi naman nung ayaw mo sa dagat. Hindi, baka mamatay ang fish. Yun naman yung dinadaan ko dun sa ganun.
Ah.
Kasi para, I want to see the reaction. Pero sinasabi kong paulit-ulit na where I frequent most, di sa mall.
Come on.
So yun ang parate. There's a way to say things.
At saka yung mga pag ganyang family gathering, yung pag sinabi ni dad, okay, hindi na ako agile, sige, sa magandang nursing home, kaya naman natin, o kung affordable, whatever nursing home it is. So, sino yung bibisita? Yung may commitment, sino ang magko-commit na magbibisita sa daddy or mommy?
Magbibisita, madaling mag-commit. Pero yung mag-aalaga,
Ayun, mahirap.
mahirap na.
Hindi, pati visitation, sabi ng nursing home na nakausap ko, hindi na rin sila nakakapunta. And the reason, at may ginawa sila ngayon na strategy, na pag ubos na yung medicine, hindi sila mag-provide, you have to bring it. Ngayon, may nilalalamove.
So hindi na rin
Sana
pupunta.
rason lang yun.
Kakantahan na
To
lang.
bring.
Lalala.
Oo.
Hindi lalamove na grab. They grab the medicine na. Kasi
Pinapagrab
pwede ng
na lang.
online na receipt.
Yeah, parang
And you can
delivery.
order in Mercury na rin,
They-
Yes.
online.
They grab it from Mercury and send it through Joyride.
Yes,
Oo,
correct.
yeah.
Ang tawag nga Lala Move.
Lalamove,
Sa
Grab.
Grab
oo.
and,
marami
Joyride.
courier.
So, yun ang mga magandang pag-usapan. Oy, pag si Kwanti Papa ha, sino magtitake care, magbibisita, maganda yung mga pag-usapan na ganyan. And there should be a commitment.
Sa amin, having come from the province, we don't experience these problems. The good thing is, when somebody dies, all of us will go there. So we
Ay,
have a
oo.
get-together.
Yes, that's a
And
typical.
normally, death
Culture
in the
yan.
family is sudden. Stroke. So, mabalitaan mo lang, namatay na gano'n. But in the case of my father, he came from Mindanao. Because I was the most active in the family. I went there, took him, brought him to the hospital. When he was in the hospital, while shuttling back and forth my studies, I took care of him in the hospital. But when she was discharged, I brought him home. My sister had to take care of him. And sa probinsya kasi yung support system embed doon,
Yes,
di ba?
oo.
Correct. Pag probinsya, okay yun eh. Lahat tumutulong eh.
Na
Oo,
tumutulong.
parang
oh.
bayan
Lalo
na
na
ngayon
ngayon
dun
pag
eh.
member ka ng isang church. Marami nang sila na nga yung minsan nagbibigay ng donation for your needs, you know.
In the case of my mother-in-law, usapang lalaki talaga na, ikaw, ito ang toka mo, no? Ito yung assignment mo. When nag-umpisa na kaming mag-away, kailangan saluin mo. So she moves around.
Ito,
Rational.
nag-joke ako kay Kwan the other day. Uy, basta ha, bisitahin mo ako pag ako nauna sa nursing home. Promise yan.
Iba na ngayon ang commitment ng friendship.
Oo.
Pag sinong mauna sa nursing home.
Oo. Siguraduhin mo na tama yung ginagawa nila. Susumbong ko, kinukurot nila ako.
Oo, tapos ito pa sabi ni MK, alam naman ni Zoe yung ano ba yun, yung telephone number, just may mga ganun joke.
Sabi ko, basta tanungin mo kay Zoe kung nasaan ako.
Ako, because I have a lot of friends in many organizations, sinasabi ko sa kanila, pag hindi nyo ako binisita, when I have some problems in the hospital, that pag nawala na ako, bibisitahin ko kayo
Oo,
sa isa.
Correct. I also told my kids that. Pag hindi niya ako bibisitahin, sabi ko, I'll be a ghost. I'll be
Yes.
always... Anyway,
But the question, MK, is, alam natin sensitive issues yan, no? And people are afraid or refrain to talk about it. So, what do we do about it?
No, we have to set a time, or kung isa sa inyo ang naka-start, you entertain it. And then you
You will
talk
force
it
the issue.
lightly. Di ba naglaging nagfa-family gathering yan? So, make it as soon as possible. Kausapin niyo muna yung isang kapatid, oy, palagay mo, kausapin ko si daddy tungkol doon. Pag-usapin na rin natin kasi tayo yung maiiwan. Tayo yung mag-ready. Diba? Tayo magpapasanahan natin mga magulang natin. Pero some other kids talaga will say, I don't care. You
Yeah.
do it. Wala na akong pakialam dyan. Pero that's why, yun ang mga delegation of responsibilities. There will always be a son or a daughter in the
Will
family.
stand as the
Yeah,
leader.
as the
no?
leader and who will initiate things.
Normally, yung ang nangyayari dyan, yung person na yun becomes the conscience of
Of
the
the
family.
family.
So, make you feel guilty. Oh, ikaw di ka dumadalaw kay mami, ikaw di ka
Yeah.
dumadalaw. So, there seems to be an invisible hand that seems to take care
Yeah.
of these issues,
Yeah.
no? For example, and this is not isolated to my family, yung mga quarrels, members of the family. When somebody dies, magkikita-kita sa
Yeah,
loob.
mag-aaway yan.
Either mag-away or they will fix their problems.
Correct. Or
Forced yung issue.
kung matured people yan.
Oo, depende sa ano ng pamilya. Pero karamihan do sa mga naririnig ko rin is, kasi nagkakaaway-away din naman pag meron silang ina-expect na mana.
Yan
Diba?
na, maganda na yan. Yung before you give the mana, I mean, paramdaman mo na sila. So, do it in a family meeting. Dapat meron reunion lagi yan family meeting. And it's always the head of the family, the
Yeah.
father,
Dapat.
will set the
Sana,
meeting.
ganon.
And then magkakaroon na kayo ng mga budget discussion.
Mm.
Kasi pwede rin sa mga anak na may mangyari O
Oo.
paano kung may mangyari ka? O sino magkuhan, yung wife mo o kami pa rin? Diba? Minsan ang pamilya pa rin.
Actually, it's really family.
So then, i-continue mo na dun sa, kayo dad.
Oh, yung nga like I said, dadaan mo sa koting biro. 'Di ba?
Yes.
Parang basta ako, normally ako nag-uumpisa parati ng joke, dinadaan ko sa then napapag-usapan.
Ako, as part of my contributions, because I am into family governance now. So many of the people that come to me to help them with their family governance, dyan nasa-settle yung mga issues na yan. Yung succession nila, if they have a business, sa family naman, how their properties are divided, na-resolve yan because of family governance. It's a first issue to family, but not everybody as a family constitution because there is nothing to talk about. So, kung may nangyari sa pamilya, forced to good lahat yan.
Yeah.
Magsasama-sama sila to take care of the problems. And I have seen this with my staff who go through the same problems because their problems become your problems. And in the family, normally the guy who is well off will advance first, hoping that it will be forgotten.
Yeah. You can be
Afterwards, no?
creative how to start it. You can have a family Netflix night. Andun yung, maraming mga movies about yung mga ganyan na
Nanood ko na kayo.
how to prepare things, mga wakes.
Oh, well,
family-
that is if you're still live in the same house.
O ipadala mo.
Okay, ngayon kung hindi na, padala, uy, maganda itong movie.
Oh,
about
watch that.
O,
Let that.
papanoorin natin. Then later, uy, alam mo, okay na pinanood natin yung, yeah, then you can probably talk about
And
it.
then, pwede ka rin mag-video message. Ma, pwede ka na ngayon sa Telegram mag-video message na, Ma, naisip ko nga pala, nabenta mo na ba yung bahay doon? Ay, yung mga lupa natin? Kasi ibenta mo na yan, Ma. Kasi you never know, kung magkasakit ako, magkasakit ka, meron tayong cash. Kailangan natin ng cash on hand, Ma, for emergency.
Pwede.
Yun na, mag-start na yun.
Doon mag-umpisa yan.
Pero normally kasi may mga squabbles sa family. And unfortunately, these squabbles the issues are settled when there is a major problem and normally somebody dies.
Wala pa.
Yung family ng wife ko, 3 generations yung away. So sabi ko sa wife ko, you end this in your generation. Don't let this problem cascade down to the children.
The new generation. So that's why nga, sana itong talk show natin na to with regards to this, an eye-opener and an awareness sa mga Gen Zs at millennials na kailangan ng pag-usapan. Whether you like it or not, kasi kayo rin ang mag-aalaga, you will be given that burden of decision kung hindi pa nyo nakakausap ang parents how to do. So, meron ditong ginawa kong sample script to ask your parents, Ma, Pa, paano mo gustong maalagaan pag hindi mo na kaya ang sarili nyo? Ano bang priorities nyo? Comfort, people around you, or budget? The right person, kung sino yung gusto nyo makita o mag-alaga, di ba? So, ayun dyan na yun, comfort. Tapos, kaya mo na si mama mag-isip, sama, i-text ko na lang sa inyo, bahala ka na mag-isip, sabihin mo na lang sa akin, di ba? You can also make it
Yeah.
light like that. Pwede mong i-video. Kasi napanood ako, Ma, naisip ko lang kita. Sabi ko na, yung parents, ganito pala, hindi sila prepared. O, di ba? Be creative. Kung gusto nyong i-save o yung burden nyo in the future, di ba? So, yan, opener na to. And you must start now and you start saving for yourselves. So, ayan, sa mga audience natin, yung may mga loved ones lalo na, start and start it now. Okay, closing.
Ladies first.
Para po sa ating mga nanonood at nakikinig dito sa show na ito, this is the time to talk about the future ng inyong magulang. Hindi na ito para sa atin, para sa magulang na natin kasi pinalaki na po tayo ng ating mga magulang and this is about time for us to prepare for them. So dapat po we have find time to talk about it openly. Like sinabi nga ni MK, pwede tayo maging creative sa pag-open ng discussion na to because we need to be practical nowadays. Sa dami na pong stress na nangyayari sa mundo, ito po ang dapat nating i-priority sa sarili nating tahanan, hindi po yung nangyayari sa labas ng ating bahay. Okay? Maraming salamat po.
Ayan, Conrad.
Lali and MK, there's so much stress in the world
Yes.
and
Added
people
stress
can
ba?
go anytime.
Yes.
So the best way to address this is that if you cannot unstress yourselves, face the issues immediately. And I hope our listeners can benefit from this discussion that if you talk about issues openly, you can identify what the problems are, you can discuss them, but please solve the issues before you go. And whether you are a parent or a child, you should always put closure to this. And I think that is the best way to address the questions that you have raised in this program. Marami pong salamat mga
Ayan,
tagapakinig.
so as I've said also na hindi naman to nakakatakot yung pag-usapan na to. Nasa creativity nyo na lang. Ito ay nakakatulong at mas mabuting pag-usapan na po ninyo habang kaya pa ng inyong mind to design, habang mentally maliksi pa yung pag-iisip nyo. Kasi ito rin ay para sa pamilya ninyo at para sa inyo na senior parents. Ayan, so meron tayong sa episode 5 next week, pag-usapan natin ang mga presyo at yung mga checklist sa paghahanap ng good nursing homes. At ano dapat ang tignan pag ikaw ay mapa private nursing home or mapa DSWD. Kasi bibisitahin natin yung mga dalawang famous na DSWD para sa mga hindi kaya ang private. Marami naman okay daw naman doon. Binibisita ng DSWD ng Makati. Anyway, so, and sa next week, nako, meron nakakaiyak na sulat ng isang magulang sa nursing home na hindi binibisita masyado. At may sulat din ang isang anak sa nanay kung bakit hindi siya nakakabisita. When I was reading that, I was crying. I talked myself to tears. Anyway, so thank you for sharing everything. Thank you sa ating magandang kaibigan na si Miss Yula Tolentino.
You're welcome, Miss MK.
And of course, our debonair economist, Dr. Conrad Pereiras, for sharing all his wisdom.
Yeah, thanks everyone for listening. I hope you get some takeaways from this discussion and look forward to coming back in our next episode next Wednesday.
Yan. Paalala sa inyo muli, panoorin niyo po yung episode 43, part 1 and part 2. Doon niyo makikita kung bakit nagkaroon ng another discussion, a deeper discussion. So ito yun na yung episode sa season 2, 3 and 4. So yung 3 and 4 po, yung number 3, panoorin niyo, yun yung pagsasabing ano ba ang gusto mo sa nursing home or home care? Tanong po yan sa mga parents para din sa mga magsiseniors na. And then yung sunod na, bakit hindi na ba nga natin pinag-uusapan para sa planong pagpatanda kung saan mo gusto? Nursing home, cremation, funeral, at saka kung sino mag-alaga sa iyo. All right, thank you so much for listening sa live natin, and thank you sa ating Bagong Pilipinas Studio, sa ating technical crew na si Sir Angelo Duromdes ba? Hindi. Jomar Esplana ang ating tech director today, and cameraman Angelo Duromdes. Maganda ba ako today, Angelo? And our prompter, Joseph Echano. So program directors, Miss Alicia Avila, Gilan Pascual. This is Marlene Craig. Basta ka Bagong Pilipinas.
Goodbye everyone. Farewell for now.
Follow and like us on Facebook and YouTube.